Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2003 Chevy Venture minivan. Vehicle came in for a standard oil change. We were performing our courtesy inspection when we noticed that there was some severe rust on the frame. Sections of the frame were missing. That's part of our courtesy inspection when we're doing an oil change, is to inspect the entire vehicle, make sure it's safe to operate, let the customer know, like, hey, this is a serious situation. The vehicle is becoming unsafe to drive. We need you to start looking for a new vehicle. Those are some tough conversations to have from time to time, but we feel it's our duty to let the customer know the condition of their vehicle. If you're not sure you're getting those inspections, or you're not sure you're getting the information you need about your vehicle, we'd be happy to take a look at it for you. We do offer free inspections, so please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.